Hi everyone, welcome to the video. We are going to solve optimal strategy for a game. In this question, you are given an array of length n and you have to choose one element from either of the end and then the other person will choose. Okay, there are two persons who will choose one element from the extreme ends one at a time, and both are playing optimally in order to get the maximum number from these array. And so array elements represent some amount of money. You have to pick a element from the extreme ends from the array, and the other person will do the same, and both of you will try to get as much money as possible. So as we see in example 1, there are four elements 5, 3, 7, and 10, and always you will go first. Okay, you will go to first. So you'll have to choose, you'll have the liberty to choose the element. So out of 5 and 10, which are the extreme elements, you will choose 10 because you are playing optimally. When you chose 10, then there are 5, 3, and 7, three elements remaining. When the other player will come, they will also choose optimally and they will choose 7. Okay, now they have 7 and you have 10. Now it's your turn again. You'll again choose optimally, which is 5 out of 5 and 3, you will choose 5. So you will get 5 and 10, 15. Whereas the other player will get only 3 plus 7, which is 10. So you won and you get the maximum money, which is 15. So come to example 2. 8, 15, 3 and 7. 8, 15, 3 and 7. So this time you'll think, okay, let's take 8, which is the optimal number out of it. But no, you will not take 8. This time you will take 7. But now you will say we'll have always have to choose optimally. So I said we have to play optimally and not optimum. There's a difference. Okay, we are not playing optimum but optimal. So we'll choose 7, and the other person will take 8. Other person will take 8. Okay, 8, 15, and 3 will take 8. Now again there are two elements 15 and 3. It's your turn and you will choose 15. So you will get 15 plus 7, 22. Whereas the other person when will choose 3, they will get 3 plus 8, 11. So you won with the value 22. How we'll do it? So we will use memorization to solve this question. Okay. First I will create a utility function. Okay, and pass few values array. Let's say add it itself array the array. Then the starting element I, ending index j, along with the db which I'm memorization table which I'm creating. Cool. So now in the main function I will create a memorization function, initialize it with -1 completely, and okay, then for the range and okay, so I created n cross n memorization table completely initialized with -1. So all the operations will be done in this utility function, and from the main function we'll call it one at a time. Okay, one at a time, and we'll return the result. So as I said, I is the starting index, which will be 0 to begin with, and ending index will be j, so it will be n-1, and dp we are passing. So now we'll come back to the utility function and we'll see how we can do. So the first thing, base condition, if I is greater than j, which means we have overrun our limit, our boundation. In that case, return 0 because we are out of the bounds. Or if dp I and j not equal 0, which means we have already calculated the solution for this index. In that case, we'll return dpij. Okay, dpij. So it's not equal to -1. Sorry, my bad. Not equal to -1. Cool. Now we'll have two possibilities. Either we'll choose the element from the starting index, which is I, or left, or we'll choose the element from the ending index, which is the j, or the right side. Cool. So let's say I chose left side and I chose the array element ith element. Then again I will have the possibility to choose from the two side, which is utility of array I plus 2 j and dp. Okay. Or Okay, this is the case when we chose the ith element or from the left side. Now when I'm choosing from the right side, this array j will again have the possibility. Okay, array in I and j plus 2 is 2 comma d. Okay, I plus 1 j minus 1 previous values, and at the end will return. So dpij will hold maximum out of these two values, maximum out of these two values. Done. dpi. So what I've done over here is, let's say you choose the ith element, okay, from the I element from the starting index from the left side, and the other player will choose the element from I plus 1 to j, from I plus 1 to j, or if you choose the element j, array of j, from the right side, array of j, then the other player will have the possibility to choose the element from I to j minus 1. That is what is done over here. The left side, we chose the array ith element, which is the left side starting point, and the other person chose from the from I to, sorry, I plus 1 to j. And if we choose the array j from the right side, other person has the possibility to choose from I to j minus 1. Okay, let's submit and check the efficacy of our solution. So as you can see, it is able to do the job. Okay, so it does the job pretty effortlessly. So I hope you learned a beautiful concept and enjoyed it. Thank you. Have a very nice day.